know that the great majority of birds that come to me for consultations have dietary imbalances, and many of them are obese if they're not acutely ill, they're chronically obese. That's the truth of the matter as I see things. So what I'd like to do now is to share 5 of my top tips as to improving the diet of your caged and aviary birds and helping to improve their health and well-being. We'll start with the quantity of food that you feed. The quantity of food should be adjusted to what the birds eat on a daily basis. That's number 1. Rather than feeding them in a shopping basket or a shopping trolley where they've got a week's supply from which they can go sweep, sweep, mess, mess, lolly, sweep, sweep, scatter, scatter, mess, mess, lolly, and pick out their favourite food. The next point I'd like to make is that the food containers should be such that they can't waste the food and scatter it down into the bottom of the cage. So they need to be large food containers, but not filled to the top, so that when they're sweeping around in them, they're not scattering their food far and wide. The next point I'd like to make is that there is a principle, a little of a lot, rather than a lot of a little. In nature, the birds that we keep in cages would be eating a wide variety of plants, seeds, herbs, and the occasional insect. But that's not all. They do eat some other things, and we'll come to those in a moment. So what I recommend is that we supplement. If we're feeding a seed mixed diet, know that that diet is very unbalanced. And know what your birdie eats out of that diet is often even more unbalanced. So we're going to start, if we're feeding a seed mixed diet, let's start for a budgerigar, for example. A budgie will eat about 1.5 teaspoons of seed a day. Let's supplement it with at least half a teaspoon of a little of a lot of various greens and herbs and veggies. A little of a lot, think of fingernail trimmings. They're the little and a lot. Let's go for dandelion, milk thistle, chickweed, endive, broccoli, cauliflower, parsley, celery, cabbage, choy. I think I left out lettuce, but I did that on purpose. Let's also add various seeding green grasses. They could be buffalo, they could be cooch, they could be kikuyu, they could be any of the little winter grasses and umbrella grass and summer grass and so forth, as long as they're free from rust and ergot. Now, there was a few other points I wanted to share with you, and that is grit. Most of our birds enjoy some grit. Some shell grit to provide some soluble minerals, and some coarse sand grit to help them grind the seed in their ventriculus or gizzard. And finally, I'd like to discuss the point of pellets for birds, pellets and crumbles. These are a very convenient way of giving your birds a more balanced diet, particularly if you don't have time to pick a little of a lot of greens each day. However, pellets are not a complete diet either, and I would normally make them about 70% of a caged bird's diet, and then supplement with some seed and a little of a lot of greens. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We're on location here at the entrance to Narrabeen Lagoon, overlooking the Rock Pool, and it's a beautiful part of the northern beaches of Sydney. Catch you soon.